What's the meaning of boomerang kid? Boomerang kid. Boomerang kid.
Boomerang kid. Boomerang kid. Boomerang kid is a term used to describe young adults who, after leaving home to live independently, return to their parents' home due to financial difficulties or other issues. This phenomenon has become increasingly common in recent years due to rising housing and education costs, as well as an overall difficult job market. Although some boomerang kids enjoy the comforts of living with their parents again, others find it challenging to readjust to life at home and may feel a sense of failure. Ultimately, the impact of being a boomerang kid can vary depending on the individual's experience and the reasons for returning home.